My name's Chef Egg with Cooking with Egg TV out of Baltimore, Maryland, and I'm going to show you how to make deliciously moist salmon. For this recipe, we have 2 6-ounce fillets of Atlantic salmon. We are going to season them with a little bit of kosher salt, fresh cracked pepper, and some dried herbs. Now we have our pan over here over medium heat. So we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. And the big tip here for deliciously moist salmon is that you want to wait until this oil starts to smoke. When the oil starts to smoke, then you're ready to roll. So the oil's smoking right now. And what we're going to do is take our salmon presentation side down first. Listen for that sizzle. And sear it until it's golden brown. We're going to pop it in a 375-degree oven for about 5 minutes. Now while our salmon cooks, we're going to make a little tomato salad to top everything off. And all you need for that is a ½ cup of chopped tomato, 3 tablespoons of chopped red onion, and some fresh basil. Drizzle a little olive oil over top with a pinch of salt and some fresh cracked pepper, and you've got yourself a great garnish for your salmon. So you can see that our salmon is beautifully brown on top and it's firm to the touch. It doesn't look dry and it's going to flake apart when I cut into it. So to plate our salmon, all we have to do is take it right out of the pan very carefully, put it right on our plate, and then we're going to take some of our tomato salad and garnish it right on top. And that looks wonderful. My name's Chef Egg with Cooking with Egg TV out of Baltimore, Maryland, and that's how you make deliciously moist salmon.